As you soar high above the earth, gazing down at the swirling blues and greens of our planet, you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. From this perspective, you can see the interconnectedness of all things, the delicate balance that sustains life of our planet. Beneath you, the vast expanse of ocean stretches out, the depths hiding creatures both great and small. Here, whales breach and dolphins dance, while schools of shimmering fish dart through the waters. But it's not just the oceans that capture your attention. From above, you can see the great swath of green that mark the continents, the forests that blank land, and the rivers that snake way through it all. As you watch, you can see the ways in which humans have both shaped and been shaped by this incredible planet. But you can see also the ways in which humans have worked to protect and preserve our planet, to restore damaged ecosystem, to live in harmony with the natural world. From high above, the earth is wondrous and complex place, full of beauty and diversity. But also of challenges and opportunities. Through human history, we have been fascinated by the idea of flight. From the ancient myths of Icarus and Daedalus to the Wright brothers pioneering flight at Kitty Hawk, we have always been captivated by the possibility of soaring through the skies. And now, with the rise of accessible drone technology, we can experience this wonder in a whole new way. From the perspective of a bird in flight, we can gain a unique perspective of our world, allowing us to see it from the fresh and a different angle. With each passing day, we discover more of the hidden beauty of our world, unlocking the secret of the natural world from above.